this is what my channel is, guys. Garbage can unboxings and reviews. The garbage can that we had before was also a Simple Human. It was like the plastic one, and it finally gave up on us. So I upgraded. Having a grand old time. So part of the gift that I got Roger for Christmas got delivered today, and I'm so excited. It's just right here. I can't wait for him to open that tomorrow. Looking forward to that. Once he opens it, I'm gonna take down the Christmas tree. So I'll take you guys on that journey and all the Christmas decor and stuff. Gotta take it down, and yeah. For today's outfit, let me show you guys. I'm just wearing this tee, which is actually, my shoes make the most bizarre noise ever. Please excuse it. But so this shirt is actually from Cozy Earth. It's that material that I'm obsessed with. It's so soft. Paired it with these jeans by Les Coyotes and my high top white Converse, which are just making a very weird noise. This is the look, and I paired everything with my Louis Vuitton bag. Dexter wants to go outside. So I'm on my phone because I feel like my phone picks up better detail than my camera, my vlog camera. So I used gel on my eyebrows. I don't know if I talked about this already, but I'm using this gel, which is like the strongest gel that I own. And do you see how feathery they look? Love it. You know how hard it is for me to glue my hairs down? It's pretty difficult, so I'm happy. And so far my hairs haven't, like, it's not super hard to take this off because it comes off with like water. So even though it really glues them down, I don't have to like rip my hairs off to take it off. So yeah, got to be glued. Once again, saves the day. So I got Roger this electric skateboard for Christmas, mostly because I want to ride it myself. So let's see.
All right, let's go. Get her, get her, get her, bud.
This is the best thing I have ever purchased in my life. This is how we walk the dog from now on.
This is how I walk my girlfriend.
Sup? Oh my god. This is great. Oh my god. Ay, ay, ay. Woo! Oh my god. Dog. Let's see how good I am at turning off. I need to work on that. Problem with real trees. It's really fun to vacuum it though. Hey guys, it is Friday. Just finished filming some close-ups. Now I'm gonna import all of the footage. I removed my Christmas tree you guys saw, and I just wanted to show you some minor changes I've made to the living room. Well, I mean, very minor. So I got this vase. I'll link where I got it from down below as always. I can't remember the name off the top of my head, but I'm a sucker for cool, like unique looking, pretty much anything. So I fell in love with this. I'll probably end up changing what's in it, but I just left what was in my old vase. For my coffee table, this is the situation that I have right now. I had this on my desk before. I just put it here in the middle. This is my Acne paper magazine that I've had for many years. I just opened it because I like the letters and how it's so plain, and I just put my CB2 sculpture on it. You guys know all this. Byredo candle. Got these coasters from Marshall's years ago. This little match holder I got from Etsy years ago, and then just the magazine and my book. And over here on this corner, this is where I had the deer when I decorated for Christmas. I got this twisted candle. Again, I don't remember the name. I think I got it from Uncommon Goods, but the name of the designer I forgot. I'll put everything down below, but I think it's a cool little touch on that corner. Over here, I just have my chapbooks and my little replica candle. And that's it. Nothing has changed over here. But yeah, I'm really loving my new vase. Isn't it gorge? I love little details like this. And I also removed some books. I got this book a while ago. This is one of my favorite interior designers. And just my Lelabo candle. This, I kind of have it in this weird positioning because this was wet. So the pages started turning and that really bothers me. So I'm just like flattening it out. I don't want to move it, but yeah, just 2 magazines. And this I got from Etsy as well, I think, a while ago. I don't have any candles in it because this takes the skinny candles, and I just think it looks better without candles because it's just too much with like all of this going on. So I think it just looks better without candles. And yeah, that is everything that I've changed, just minor things. I'll show you where I put the books that were over here. This was one of the books that was on the sofa table. I just put it over here on my nightstand, or Roger's nightstand. This is Roger's side of the bed. So over here is where I put the other books that were on the sofa table, which is just some old serial magazines and my Chanel book. So yeah. It's actually a little bit concerning of how pale I am right now. I'm eating bark thins, pretzel bark thins, my favorite. And I worked out today. I'm trying so hard to get back on my workout game, and it is very difficult. I just have to make a routine. That's all it is. Once you pass that little hurdle of doing it for like 3 days in a row, you're fine. But it's like getting there, you know, like actually working out. It's tough, but yeah, I'm slowly trying to force myself back into it. I think that the best advice that I could give, like if you struggle with working out at home or like finding motivation or whatever, what helps me is telling myself, okay, just get 15 minutes out of your day and dedicate it to moving your body. Whether it's going outside and jump roping for like 10 minutes and then doing jump squats for like 5, or whatever it is that you can do, try to do it at least for 15 minutes and that's it. You'll work your way up to half an hour or 45 minutes or an hour or whatever. And 9 times out of 10, when I promise myself I'm gonna do these things and I go outside with the intention of working out for like 10 to 15 minutes, I end up working out for like half an hour to like 45 minutes. Because once you're out there, or even if it's in your house and you start moving, you start sweating, you start listening to like your good music and stuff, you end up getting motivated. Half of the reason why I psych myself out of working out a lot of the times, or I talk myself out of it, or like I just don't do it, is because I'm too hard on myself. And I feel like all of us are. Like, we expect every single workout to be super intense and like worth it, you know. And I think that it's better to just tell yourself, okay, 10 minutes, I'm gonna move, I'm gonna put my watch on, and then you just end up doing a lot more. Or maybe even if you don't, like, you just feel so much better moving. So that's like how I trick myself into working out. And I think that there's so much like pressure and guilt that a lot of us, not all of us, a lot of us are experiencing during this pandemic and like all this time at home, where we feel like we should be doing a lot more than we actually are. And we like put ourselves through this huge guilt trip and make ourselves feel so bad about resting. And people think, oh, just because I'm not moving and I'm not like physically as active as I was before, or I'm not doing as much, I have no right to be exhausted. But we forget that even scrolling through social media, even reading the news about any of the current events, all of these things still take a huge toll on our mental health, and like they're still very mentally exhausting. And we forget that. I forget that. And I'm so hard on myself. I know I'm going off on a rant, but okay, first of all, there's a mosquito that's been biting me in my house for the past 4 days. I haven't been able to kill it, and right now it's biting me all over the place. So come at me, bro. I can't see you. I've become quite an expert at killing mosquitoes, and I cannot kill this thing for the life of me. It's invisible. It has evolved. So yeah, thanks for listening. I'm gonna try to go to another place in my house where there's no mosquito trying to feed off of me. So. We've got some bird action. I haven't showed you guys my birds in a while. And by my birds, I mean the birds that only come when I put food out for them, but it's fine. They're still my birds.